C1, Graphs and Transformations of Graphs, Example 8. So here we're asked to sketch f of x when f of x is 1 over x plus 4. So of course we know that the graph of 1 over x has this sort of a shape, where these are our axes. But of course, because we've got y equals, sorry, that doesn't cross the axes, that's just a rough sketch. But of course, because we've got 1 over x plus 4, that means that the asymptote that is usually along the x-axis is moved up by 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my axes. And then I'm going to put my asymptote in, which is going to be, say, here, which will be at y equals 4. And that is an asymptote, because we're asked to state where the asymptotes are. And of course, x cannot be equal to 0, because there is also an asymptote at x equals 0. And of course, then we have the general shape of the graph, which is that it gets really close to the asymptotes, but it will never touch or cross them. So we've used the rules that we've learned earlier to know that y equals f of x, given that f of x equals 1 over x plus 4, means that the asymptote that is usually along this x-axis has now been moved up to y equals 4.